Okay, we proceed with rotation. Okay, rotation. The first learning standard is recognize a rotation. Okay, so let's have a look at the GeoGebra. Okay, so this is example of rotation. Okay, for example, you have, okay, so for rotation, okay, you need to know about clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so let's look over here. Okay, so you have an triangle over here. Okay, okay, this is the object. Okay, and this is the image. Okay, so from here to here, okay, this is clockwise, ikut arah jam kan. Sini pukul 12 bergerak pergi ke pukul 4 contoh. So clockwise. Okay, the center of rotation is 0 with 90 degree rotation. Okay, boleh Sekarang let's look over here. Okay, this is clockwise 90. Okay, bila saya undur balik ke belakang, dia akan kembalilah, so 0. Tak ada. So 0, okay, when I move 90 degrees, okay, nampak tak sini 90 degrees. So yang ini akan bergerak ke sini. Okay, 90 degrees. Okay, what if I change it to 180? So dari sini dia terus bergerak 180 darjah. Okay, what if I change it to 270? 270 dia akan pusing terus sini. Nampak tak angle ni? 270. Image dia macam ni lah. Okay, ataupun kalau saya rotate the whole 360, dia akan kembali ke bentuk asal. Okay, now what if, okay, I want to do anti-clockwise. Okay, so tengok sini. Over here you have only clockwise. Okay, so kalau anti-clockwise, okay, nampak tak? Okay, di sini dia bergerak ke belakang 90 degrees. Dalam ni, yang dalam ni this inside angle is 90 degrees. So you know that if you have clockwise of 270, it is the same as anti-clockwise of 90. Okay, but for 180, 180 we don't care. Okay, clockwise ke anti-clockwise, sebab both the image will end up at the same place. So for example, over here to over here, clockwise. Kalau over here to over here, anti-clockwise, sama juga. Dia akan berhenti di tempat yang sama. So kalau 180 degrees, kita tak kisah clockwise ke anti-clockwise. Okay, yang penting kalau clockwise anti-clockwise is 90 degrees, because tengok sini, 90 degrees of clockwise is equals to 270 of anti-clockwise. Okay, itu cara mudah awak nak tengok lah. Okay, now continue to, okay, so let's look over here. Okay, the properties of image of a rotation. Okay, the resulting image has the same shape, size and orientation as the object. Object tu mesti sama. Okay, object mesti sama, image mesti sama dari segi shape, size and orientation. And then the center of rotation is a stationary point. Okay, tak boleh bergerak, it's stationary saja. The distance of all points of the image to the center of the rotation is equal to the distance of the object to the center of the rotation. Okay, maksudnya jarak image dengan objek ke center of rotation is the same. Dia tak boleh tinggi panjang, tak boleh. Okay, next, okay, 11.4.2, okay, rotation in various representation. Okay, when we describe a rotation, we need to state the center, the angle and direction of the rotation that maps the object to the image. Okay, sekarang cuba tengok sini. Okay, for clockwise, okay, clockwise jam kan bergerak macam ni kan. So this pattern is clockwise. Okay, tengok arrow ni bergerak ke sini kan. So this is clockwise. Okay, for anti-clockwise, dia akan lawan arah jam. Okay, dia undur ke belakang. So this is anti-clockwise. Boleh? Okay. Now let's look at example 18. Okay, describe the rotation for the diagram below. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D. Okay, so dia bergerak, pop, jatuh ke bawah. So A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Okay, so 90 degrees. Okay, now how can we describe this rotation? Okay, so we can write it as, okay, clockwise. Okay, clockwise rotation of 90 degrees, okay, at point T. Okay, ini point kita T. Okay, so untuk rotation kita kena describe, we need to give the information of, okay, clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation, okay, of 90 degrees where, okay, at point T. Okay, next for B, so we have A to A prime. Okay, it move anti-clockwise. Okay, so we can say that, okay, anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degree at point S. Okay, or you can say that at coordinate 2, 1. Also the same. Okay, also accepted, no problem, because point S and 2, 1 is the same thing. Okay, so that's how you can describe the rotation. Okay, we need to provide the information of, okay, what type of rotation, clockwise or anti-clockwise, and then what type of what is the degree, 90 degrees, okay, or 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. Okay, but for your syllabus usually it's only 90 degrees or 180. Okay, and then where, okay, where is the point of rotation? Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, next, okay, let's move to 11.4.3, determining the image and object under a rotation. So the learning standard is determine, tak kisahlah macam mana awak sebut kan. Okay, determine the image and object under a rotation. Okay, we can use tracing paper, protractor and compasses to determine the image or object under a rotation. Okay, so let's look at example 19. Okay, so determine the image. Okay, determine the image of triangle PQR, okay, PQR, when rotated 90 degrees anti-clockwise at point M. Okay, okay, so let's look on how can we do this using the first method. Okay, method 1 is using tracing paper. Okay, first of all, we need to put on the tracing paper. Okay, you can buy the tracing paper from any stationery store. Okay, okay, first, okay, we need to draw the line from point M to point P. Okay, okay, from point M to point P. Okay, and then we need to, okay, kita kena kira lah 90 darjah. We need to determine the angle of 90 degree. So you can use this ruler lah. So this ruler is 90 degrees. Okay, so okay, we need to do the anti-clockwise. Okay, so okay, before that you need to trace the triangle of PQR on the tracing paper. Okay, and then, okay, we turn the tracing paper, okay, anti-clockwise in direction of 90 degrees. Okay, so over there you can see the location of image of PQR. Okay, so that's where the location. So we can label the triangle as P prime, R prime and Q prime. Okay, then you copy the triangle on your answer sheet. Okay, don't forget to copy it back. Okay, if not, you don't have any drawing, so you don't have any marks. Okay, please be careful. Okay, please remember you need to use ruler. Okay, tak boleh lukis guna freehand kena guna ruler. Okay. Okay, don't forget to label your image. Okay, there you go. Okay, that is how the first method by using tracing paper. Okay, next method, okay, method 2, you can also use protector. Okay, so how can we do rotation of 90 degrees by using protector? Okay. Okay, first you need to construct the line MP. Okay. Okay, next, okay, by using a protector, so that is protector, okay, you need to draw a line MP in an anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degrees with equal distance to MP prime. Okay, you can calculate the boxes, okay, for your reference. Okay, so there is your P prime. Next, you need to draw MR. Okay, so we have 6 boxes, so you can calculate 6 boxes, okay, directly. So there is your R prime. Okay, and then you connect M and Q. Okay, you draw a straight line for M and Q, and then using a protector, okay, you over there, by using a protector, you calculate, okay, 90 degrees. Okay, you measure 90 degrees. Okay, or you can use boxes, okay, for easier. Okay, so over there, you can connect Q prime and P prime. Okay, before, okay, 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, I hope you understand the explanation. Okay, next, okay, example 20. Okay, determine the object for the image of Q prime when rotated 180 clockwise at point M. Okay, so let's look over here. Step 1. Okay, draw a line to join point M and Q prime, and extend it to an equal distance to MQ prime in the opposite direction. Okay, maksudnya macam ni lah. Okay, so we join the 2 points. Okay, so 1, 2. So 2 boxes, and then over here as well, 1, 2, 2 boxes. Dia mesti equal distance. Okay, so this is Q. Macam tu. That's it. Okay, mark point Q on the extended line with MQ equal to MQ prime. Kan MQ equals to MQ prime. Okay, settle. Mudah saja kan? Tak susah. Okay, cuba tengok di sini tips. Okay, if B is the center of rotation, then the position of image B will not change. Okay, biasanya center of rotation itu dia tak akan berubah lah kalau image dia, sebab dia adalah center dia. Okay, pusat dia. So A, okay, will be over here A prime, C prime, and point B dia akan jadi image dia sendirilah. B prime di tempat yang sama. Okay, if only B is our center of rotation. Okay, now let's look at 11.4.4, solving problems. Okay, the learning standard is solve problem involving rotation. Okay, do you know that if the object and image of a rotation is given, center, angle and rotational direction can be determined using the method of geometric construction? Yang awak dah belajar sebelum ni kan, masa form 1. Okay, so determine the center, angle and direction of rotation. Okay, so let's look at example 21. Okay, A prime, B prime, C prime. This one, A prime, B prime, C prime is the image for ABC after a rotation. Okay, determine the angle, direction and center under a rotation. Okay. Okay, so first, okay, you need to join point A to point A prime. Okay, by using a ruler. Use a ruler ya, jangan freehand, nanti tak cantik. Okay, next. Okay, you need to construct a perpendicular bisector line. Okay, for the line segment A prime. Okay, you have learned this during form 1. If you forget, okay, you can do a revision. Okay, then you draw a straight line. Okay, then you do the same for B and B prime. Okay, join point B and B prime by using a ruler and then construct a perpendicular bisector as well for the line segment of B prime. Okay, actually you can either choose B prime, B prime or C prime. Okay, and then you try to connect C and C prime. Okay, so from there you can see it is 90 degrees. Okay, and then you can mark the center of rotation where all the lines intersect. Okay, so over there you can see that it is 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, next, how you describe? Okay, so from the solution we know that, okay, therefore the image is under rotation of 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees, over here 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, arah jam, and at point D. So that's how you describe the rotation. Okay, you need to focus on these three things. Okay, rotation of 90 degrees, okay, clockwise at point D. Okay, these three things is very important for rotation. Okay, next, okay, defining coordinate of the image when coordinate of the object are given. Okay, example 22. Okay, determine the coordinate of image of point A, -3, 2, under a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise or at O origin. Okay, so the same thing. Okay. Okay, first you need to join the line OA. Okay, and then you can rotate the line OA 90 degrees clockwise at origin O using a protractor. Okay, you use protractor to measure the angle of 90 degrees and then you can draw the line. Okay, you can use boxes to calculate, okay, to make sure you draw on the correct point. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is 90 degrees rotation clockwise at the origin O. Okay. Okay, finally we can get the coordinate of image A prime are 2, 3. Okay, under a 90 degrees rotation clockwise. Okay. So the same thing, okay, for example 23. Okay, For self-practice 11.4, okay, I want you to try number 1 A, C, and number 2 A, B. Okay. So I think that's all for today. Okay. So today we have covered 2 subtopics. Okay, 11.3 and 11.4. Okay, reflection and rotation. Okay, I hope you can understand my explanation. So far, we already covered 4 subtopics for this chapter. Okay, then for next class, so we're going to continue with 2 more two more subtopics before we completed chapter 11. Okay, so I think that's all for today. If you have any problem, don't hesitate to ask me down below in this comment section, or you can ask me in the Telegram group. Okay, so thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. See you next time.